Hey guys, this is Vess and welcome back to another speed art. So this speed art is more like a it's like a turning myself into a squid, not a squid but an octo, because Splatoon 2 is having an Octo expansion, and I played Splatoon maybe a couple of times. I suck at it, so that's why I don't play it as much. And I don't know, it just doesn't seem like out of the world and stuff like that for me enough to play. But what is coming out that I think that I would play is Super Smash Brothers. So who is excited for that? I know I am. And yeah, I honestly do like the squids because they're just unique in their own way, and I thought it would be like really cool to, you know, just draw myself as a squid and add different essentials to it that'd be a little bit different from the actual squid from Splatoon, or well, because it's an octopus, so yeah, the octo tune, I guess, because it's not a squid, right? So yeah, guys, Super Smash Brothers is coming out. I've seen a lot of people cry over this game, scream over this game, everything over this game, and I can understand why. It's been out for a while, and you know, it's been on I think it's been on every Nintendo system, so they've been waiting for this. Like, a lot of gamers have been waiting for this. I know my husband has also, so he was really excited to hear the news. Me, on the other hand, I'm like a occasional player, so I wasn't as excited, but just to see the new characters and, you know, what they're doing with it to add, you know, it looks like DLC and more. So I'm really excited for that. Really to see, you know, which characters they put together there, because I know last time they had like Snake and what's that other cat? They had a whole bunch of characters there, and it's, you know, not characters you will notice with Mario and Link and, you know, Sonic. It's just weird. So it's cool, and I am looking forward to that. You know, I might do a pre-order on that for Justin. So that's something that is in my mind for that. But yeah, guys, for this Splatoon drawing that I was thinking, I was like, let me just put myself in, you know, something that I wear regularly, I guess. So I got like boots, a pair of pants, and a shirt. But it's like sleeveless shirt. I'm not too much on sleeveless shirts, but I thought a sleeveless shirt would be cool because a lot of the squids wear sleeveless shirts or regular t-shirts. So yeah, I thought of the hairstyle to be more octopus-like because my hair is curly, so it has, you know, more ridges and bumps and all that. So I thought that would work with a squid. And, well, octopus. Why I keep calling them they're the same thing, aren't they? I guess. I don't know. So yeah, the squid basically. So I added the squid, like the squid ink, octopus ink going, splashing as, you know, the little characters skidding across, and I thought it'd be cute putting that. I did give her my earrings and ring and and boots. And another cool thing that I did with this was I gave her galaxy pants because I like galaxy, like anything that's purple, blue with white or lights in it, I like it. So yeah, I gave her some galaxy pants. And I thought another cool thing would give her, for me, another cool thing for me is to give her my Celestial Pole shirt. So I did add it towards the end. You're going to see that on the reveal. But yeah, guys, I did give her the colors that I do like I use mostly all the time. Like I think my wardrobe is full of grays, blacks. I'm starting to get out of that and wear more pinks and blues and purples. But yeah, most of my wardrobe is really dark colors. So this is totally me. This is totally me. I don't know what's with artists and their like moodiness with just wearing solid black or solid, you know, solid colors that are really dark. I don't know what's with us with that, but that's how it is. And it's just a shame. It's a shame that that I you know, I can admit that. But yeah, going ahead and changing it up for me, not for the character. For me, I'm going to be changing it up. But as of right now, this is totally me. I wear dark colors. And galaxy. I like galaxy, y'all. Remember that. I wear Galaxy all day. I have the same Galaxy stretchies this character has on. And I have a pair of boots like this, but they're more of a wine color, and I have another pair that's like a brown color. So, that's pretty much similar. And then this blue shirt, I have the same blue shirt, but it has like Pulse for Life on it. So for this one, I did put Pulse for Life on it, but you're going to see that towards the end. I did want to add a squid or octopus and have it like pulsy, because pulsy is, the light blue colors and stuff like that. But I didn't have no room for it, so I didn't want to bother with it. I was like, you know what, let me just leave it like this. It'll be cute. Solid white background, like it was for the reveal of Smash Brothers. That was a cool reveal, y'all. Like, honestly speaking, with the squid having the the logo on the eyeball, that really got people hyped. Like, nobody expected that, and I could understand why the gamers cried, like tears in their eyes and stuff, because they've been waiting for this for so long, and then for it to be announced so greatly, oh my god, I would have cried if I was if I was a gamer waiting for this game to come out. But sadly, I'm not that gamer that cries for this. So yeah, I did my normal shading. It was basically the linear burn with the cool grays, and those usually help with getting the toning right and stuff like that, especially that I'm playing with a lot of blues. I felt that will bring out the color of the squid better, and just make it pop more. And then what I did was, with certain colors you can go lighter, and then with other colors you gotta go a little darker. And I know with darker colors like her hair and stuff like that, I had to go with a really light ashy dirty white color, like almost bluish, to get that color, and then I went over it with a darker blue so that it could work better. I did add a lot of shine to her, and the reason why I did is because the squids themselves are shiny. They're very moist, so I thought that it would be best to make her as moist as they are, just to make it look cool. And then I did give her the Galaxy ink, because I'm a Galaxy girl. If you look at my streaming, I have my Galaxy theme going. I might revamp it more up, revamp the channel up, make it more Galaxy like, because that's just me. I like Galaxy stuff. So being that I represent Celestial Pulse, and Celestial means heavens, why not, right? I think it'd be pretty cool. So yeah, guys, I added all those beautiful little highlights to everything, like her boots, pants, shirt, hair, body, everything. Added every freaking wear. And then I added a lot of highlights. So I did give it this shade, and I made it, I gave it some room so it looks like she's in a room, she's not just hanging out anywhere. After I signed it and did a couple of little pulses, this is how it came out looking. I think it came out looking rather well. Again, I added the Pulse for Life shirt, and I added the logo to the gun, and that's because this is supposed to be a representation of myself as a squid, and I like this. I love this, how the Splatoon characters are. They're cute. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, hit that like, and if you're here and you're new and you like what I did, go ahead and hit that subscribe and become one of our family members. Become a Pulse. You can enjoy us. I continuously do art things like this and more. Remember, guys, I stream every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to be there. The more the merrier. We have fun, we make jokes. It's all good up in the hood. So yeah, guys, thank you again for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.